Hey, hello all. Welcome to Check Your Educom channel. We are going to learn Vlookup today. That's Vlookup. We'll take an example of invoice wherein we will get details like customer name, product name, and quantity per product. Description by just putting their ID in this column here, and it should give us the all the details which is in customer info. Write this customer ID in. So if I put this customer ID, should give me the name John DeCosta. In the product list, like if I put the 380, so it should give me the product name, the rate per product, and the description. So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to use a VLOOKUP function for that, and also we are going to cover the text columns and the data validation in that. Also, we are going to use this name manager function. So this will be the combination of a couple of functions, and you will come to know that how we can combine this function and get one invoice created. So let's start with this. First of all, what we are going to do is we are going to create the table here, the name table. So first, to create the name table, just select all this and give the name as whatever you want to name it or like that. But remember this name because this is we are going to use in the formula. Now go to product list and give the name to this. Okay, product. Okay, so now we have customer and the product to the name tables here. So let's go to invoice and let's create our first VLOOKUP function. The first VLOOKUP will do it on the customer ID section here. So whenever it's bill to, so bill to which customer? So we're going to use this VLOOKUP. What we need to check? It should check the customer ID first, and then it should check the table which we have created for the customers, and it should give me the details of the customer. So when it should match the customer ID which is in the first column, so I want the result from the second column here. So let's put there, and what I want is the data to be very exact, so it should has to be true. Okay, so if I click OK, oh, so now I'm going to get that. And if I go here and change the digit here in the last, it will change that name. Okay, so this way you can create the name. Also what you can do is, like here you can put the address column 1 here, and you can give the address, and similarly you can create the VLOOKUP function here for the address line 1, 2 and 3. You keep on going, so all the details just be on this and you'll be getting all this data here. Now the second thing is ID. So before going to the ID here, what we are going to use it, we are going to use this as the list. So for that, to create the list, you have might have observed sometimes you get the drop downs here to select it. So because it's very difficult to remember the name of all the products, so we'll create the list here. We'll go to data validation here, data validation, and select the list. What would be the source of that? So it should be this one. Ignore blank cell in the cell drop downs, and okay, here we go. Oh, my bad. We forgot to create one more list here. Here we will create one more table. Okay, you can select number of the cells where the data is there. So we have created one more table here, name table and ID. So now I want this does drop down here. So let's go to data validation here, select the list. As it is on the another sheet, we have to use like this way. We'll give the table name and okay. So here we go. We'll get the number of items here. So what I want is when I select this ID here, it should give me the product name, quantity per rate, and the total. Oh, what is this way? Just a second. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so now as we did here, we are going to use the this table now, which we have given the name of as product. Okay, So let's go to here. Now first we'll take the product. When I select this, okay, so what I'll do is I'll do this time with the manually. We'll try to do it, and it's very easy. Tab, our lookup value would be ID and comma, that's table array, so that would be, it would come there as a product column index. This is very important here. So I need the second number data, okay, data from the second number column, so that I'll have to provide here as second and one. Okay, LCD HTV, got it. So this way it will show you the data. Same way you can do it for the quantity per unit as well. I have to edit this manually, but you can give it from here also, that quantity per unit. What you can do is, I'll show you one shortcut here. Just drag it, and here in this column section, select it as 30. No, I'm sorry, what is the number of orders? 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. Okay, yeah. It's B13. No, we need to make it as A13 and product 3. Okay, so what you can do is, while copying it, before copying it, put F4 here, so it will make the constant. Okay, so when I copy this here, so it will show me the same data. Why? Because it is, I have made this is as a constant, so now it will always refer this in the first column, like this. In, oh, I'm sorry, that has not copied the formula, so we will do the paste special here, paste values. Okay, formula. So yes, copied, it has copied the formula, so you can see it is still referring to A13. If you don't put this dollar sign and if you drag it, then this reference also will change. Now if you click here and go to column index number, and I'll change it to 4, so it will show me the description. Okay, so now when I put this 381, so it should change. Oh wow, great. 382, great. So like that. Now if I want the same thing here, maybe it should work. No, yeah, it's working. So if I want this data here as a range, okay, and here again we need to remove this constant while dragging out. Because when we drag down, we should get it right. Yeah. So this is when I pull down here, it should give me the different data. A14, but the thing is same. So you can see here, you can take it as a total. No, here. So here we can put the simple, like, two quantity. Total would be the simple calculation, that is into this, and we can drag this also here. Here he purchased only one quantity, so this is, here we can take the sum from the shortcut here, auto sum, or the alt equal to will give you the same results. And this way you can print your, and you can put couple of things which you want to keep it here, like sign and the some condition, terms and condition, you can write it here. You can put this some kind of formats here, so as per your convenient and the requirement, put the company name here. But this formula should help you out. And please check the if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share it as soon as you can. I'm sorry, as much as you can, and please let me know any. Put a comment if you want to learn some any other functions in Access. Thank you for viewing this video.